How to unlink YouTube from TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Go to your profile at the bottom right. In here, click on Edit at the top. After you click on Edit in here, you'll find Social. Below Socials, click on YouTube. After you click on YouTube, this kind of screen will pop up. Click on Unlink and YouTube will unlink from your TikTok account. Then there will be no YouTube option in socials in your TikTok account. And this is how to unlink YouTube from TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.